Hi, good morning. How are you today?
Hello, good morning. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your last job?
Last time I was working in the school here in Sardia, but before then, I was working in Hong Kong for almost 7 years with one employer, and I work as a caregiver. I take care of one elderly person with Alzheimer's disease, and also I took care of two kids, ages 4 and 5 years old.
Okay, that's great. So, why decided not to continue to work there in Hong Kong?
That time, my brother told me to come over because they told me there's a lot of opportunity here. So I decided to come. And then after I was employed in the school.
So, what do you do in the school, by the way?
I work as a class assistant. I took care of, I handling KG2 students. So every class we have 23 students in each class. So we are the one who assist the children, the teachers.
Uh, did you finish your contract, by the way, in that school?
Yeah, I did. I finished my contract, and after that, I decided to go home because I need to take care of my grandma, sick grandma. So after a month, she died. So I decided to come back again.
Okay. So since you're back here in UAE, you're looking for a new opportunity again here. What would be the range of the salary that you would ask this time?
I'm expecting at least 2,000.
Okay, and why do you think you deserve this amount?
Because I have experience already, and I know I can take care of the kids very well.
Okay, so what do you like to do most in the house? Do you like to cook? Do you like to babysit or to clean?
I like to babysit, to cook, and I know how to clean also.
Okay, what type of food can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food, some Western food, and Filipino food.
Great. So in cleaning, what detergents or chemicals do you use to clean a toilet?
I use Dettol, yeah, and then some chlorine to make it sweet.
Okay. Now in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food? Because sometimes kids don't want to finish their food, so what would be your tricks?
So I will just tell them good and nice words, and then after that just treat them, and then so that they can finish their food quickly.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
I love to read and watch movie.
What type of movies are you into?
Drama,
All right. So how long do you want to work here in UAE?
as long as I can work.
Good. So do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
I am very flexible person, and then I easily adjust. So I think I can, as long as they will help me also, and I can help them also. It's a two-way communication.
All right. Very well said. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.